In this video, I'm going to show you how to flag a transaction in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, open Origin Financial on your computer and log into your account. After you reach the dashboard, go to the menu on the left side and click on Spending. From there, open the Transactions tab to access your transaction history. Next, browse through your transactions and locate the one you want to flag or mark for review. Once you find it, click on the transaction to open the Details panel on the right side of the screen. Inside the side menu, look for the option called Mark as Unreviewed and click on it. After doing that, the transaction will automatically be flagged. You will notice a small blue dot appear next to the transaction amount in the transactions list. This blue dot indicates that the transaction has been marked as unreviewed, making it easier to come back to later if you still need to check or organize it. This feature is helpful for tracking transactions that need attention, verification, or additional edits before you finish reviewing your spending activity. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.